Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kimberly. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really would love if you would stick around, hit that subscribe button, and become a part of the CK gang. To my returning subscribers, hey girl, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about this hair that I'm wearing right now, and I'm literally in love. This hair was sent to me by Sunber Hair. This is a layered 90s vibe wig, but I got it in like a 24-inch, so it's really long, so the layers are not like hitting, okay? But it is layered, but more so on the longer layered side. But honestly guys, I really like this hair. It's so silky, it feels really good, and it's just like bone straight. I love how straight it is. If y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then you should definitely keep on watching. All the links for this will be in the description box below. Yeah, let's get into the video.
Cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this wrong. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. 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 Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this wrong. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or
Yeah, so this is the finished look. I really love this hair. It's so silky, it's so smooth, it's not shedding, and it's just like flowing. I don't know, for like straight hair, it's laying and not being frizzy. It's just giving me like a nice silky vibe. This hair didn't take a lot of work at all. Literally, I just sprayed it on. It was super easy, and then I just tweezed it to my liking while it's on my head, because it didn't come heavily, like it wasn't like dense in the front where it's crazy. It came actually nice. You could wear it the way how it came. But while I did it, I just plucked a few hairs out. And honestly, if I had my own like way, I would wear it with no baby hairs, because as of late I don't be liking baby hairs. But I just did like 2 little swoops and that's it, nothing else, and still it gives like a clean look. But yeah guys, I really like this hair and I would recommend definitely, because it feels really good and it's not looking frizzy, and it is straight hair. Usually with straight hair, for me, it frizzes up really easily, but it's not frizzing, and it's giving silky, it's giving healthy. Love that for us. But yeah, if you like this hair, be sure to check out the description box below. Shout outs to Sunber Hair for sponsoring this video. I love you guys. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.